Good morning, guys, and happy Halloween. I cannot believe we are at day 31 of Vlogtober. I cannot believe that I did 31 days straight of daily vlogging. That was a lot of fun. I'm tired, but it's been a lot of fun and I really enjoyed sharing every single day. So I am really looking forward to a fun Halloween day. The sun is shining. It's going to be nice out. My son's party last night was a huge success. I think everyone had a really great time. It went until at least midnight, maybe a little bit later, but they had a lot of fun. I'm still struggling with a little bit of a cold. You could probably hear it in my voice. It's kind of settling into my chest now, so I've been coughing a lot and just hoping that ends soon. But everything is going pretty good this morning, and we have some cleanup to do, and I am going to start my Halloween. We just went out and picked up some pumpkin spice chai tea latte for Halloween. Emily came for a visit, and I have my Halloween candy all ready to go. And it's about 1 o'clock. Can you guys believe my book of the month already came? I just ordered this. You guys saw me order it. And it is Instructions for Dancing by Nicola Yoon. And I'm really excited for this book. I have no idea when I'm going to get to reading it because I have so many books I want to read coming into the holidays, but I'm sure it's going to be a great book, and it might be something good to read around Valentine's Day because it is, I believe, a love story. And of course I get my bookmark, Life is Hard covers. It's about 3 o'clock and trick-or-treating in our town goes from 4 until 8. So now I'm headed to Madison's friend's house because she's going to go over there to get ready, and then they're going to trick-or-treat together. And I'll meet up with her a little bit later, trick-or-treat with her for like an hour. And then we have some friends coming over tonight. We have some family coming over. Halloween is always quite a big event here. So looking forward to that, but now I am headed to take Madison to her friend's house. Madison's getting all packed up and ready to go. You have everything you need?
Yep.
You have your costume? Mm-hmm. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are your plans today now?
Trick-or-treating.
You're gonna get ready, go trick-or-treating in one neighborhood or two?
One.
Just one?
I don't know though.
All right, should be fun. Trick-or-treating has begun. I've been sitting outside for a while just handing out candy, but pretty soon Madison and her friends are going to be ready to trick-or-treat on the other side of town, so I'm going to head over there and go trick-or-treating with her. We have some friends over, my in-laws are over, and we're all just having a good time eating candy, hanging out, and watching all of the kids dressed up in costumes. They're all so cute, and there's so many great costumes this year. So I'm going to hang out here for a little bit longer, and then I'm going to head over to Madison's friend's house, and we're gonna do some trick-or-treating over there. I put on a sweater because it's getting really cold, and then I just have like these little fuzzy cat ears, so that's my costume of the day. I was gonna do like a little black nose and whiskers, but Madison did not appreciate that. That was too much for her. She would be embarrassed with her mom doing that, apparently. So maybe I'll put it on later, I'll see. Can you guys see this most amazing rainbow? Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. And it is so thick. Like, I've seen rainbows in my life, but nothing this wide. It doesn't even look real. People are actually pulling over to take pictures of this. It's unbelievable. Back from trick-or-treating, Bratz girl costume. Did you have fun today?
Yes.
You did a lot of trick-or-treating today.
Yeah.
Do you think you got enough candy?
No.
No? I think you're good. You had a fun day?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you want to share anything about your Halloween?
No.
No? How many hours do you think you trick-or-treated for today?
I think it was 2, because
That's
we started
it?
at like
5:30, 6:30, 7:30? Yeah, maybe like 2.5 hours. Good job. I think that's the most trick-or-treating that you have ever done, right? Yeah. Usually like an hour in, you're over it. So that's good. All right. Glad that you had a good Halloween. Okay guys, so that is going to be the end of Vlogtober 2021. I really hope that you guys enjoyed coming along. I really did enjoy vlogging every single day. It was lots of fun. So I hope that you enjoyed it too. And we had a great Halloween, really busy day, but it was really great. And we got to do all the things and lots of trick-or-treating. So it was a lot of fun. I hope that you guys all had a great Halloween, and I will see you really soon. Bye.